Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated tech battles of the year. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus iPhone 16 Pro Max. These two flagship giants are here to redefine what a smartphone can do. But which one deserves your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down. Design and build. First up, design and build quality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra continues Samsung's sleek, boxy design with its signature curved display and titanium frame. It's lightweight yet feels premium in hand. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max sticks to Apple's minimalist approach with a ceramic shield front and a brushed titanium finish. Both are stunning, but which one feels better? Honestly, it comes down to personal preference. Samsung for that bold look or Apple for that classic elegance. Thus some are to display. Now let's talk displays. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2500 nits. It's ridiculously vibrant and smooth. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, also at 120 Hz, and a peak brightness of 2400 nits. Both are top tier, but Samsung's slightly larger screen and sharper edges give it a slight edge for media consumption. Beyond that, Tier 3. Performance. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the new Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on your region, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, on the other hand, runs on the A18 Bionic chip with 8 GB of RAM. In terms of raw performance, the A18 Bionic is a beast, dominating benchmarks and handling intensive tasks like a pro. But Samsung's extra RAM makes multitasking a breeze. It's a close call. 4. Camera. Alright, let's talk cameras. The real deal breaker for many. The S25 Ultra features a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50mm periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide. The iPhone 16 Pro Max steps up with a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide. In daylight, both phones deliver stunning shots, but Samsung's zoom capabilities are insane. At night, Apple's computational photography shines with more natural colors. For video though, the iPhone still takes the crown with its cinematic mode and stabilization. And battery and software battery life. The S25 Ultra packs a 5500 mAh battery, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 4800 mAh battery. Both easily last a full day, but Samsung's fast charging at $65 blows Apple's $30 out of the water. As for software, it's One UI 7 versus iOS 18. Samsung offers more customization, while Apple provides a seamless ecosystem experience. Pick your side. Chapter 6. Price and Conclusion. So which one should you buy? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,399 and the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,399 and the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,299. If you're all about customization, zoom capabilities, and a bigger display, go for the S25 Ultra. But if you value ecosystem integration, video performance, and a more polished software experience, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is your winner. At the end of the day, you can't go wrong with either. Let me know in the comments, which one are you picking? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech showdowns. See you in the next one.